I kind of jumped off track a little bit there, but that's, you can tie that stuff into your website too. That's kind of why I think I wanted to like discuss that. You can have, where a form, you can have it go into systems like that. If somebody fills in a form fill, remember they go cold within 15 minutes. Well, you could have it where if they do a form fill, it triggers an automatic email. And if you make them give you the phone number on the form, you can turn a form fill into a text message exchange. So that's just something, as far as having a website that converts, that's what I want to show you guys. Like this is where the industry is heading. These are some things that are starting that we're seeing work now. So, there's probably about 25 things or more you can do to your website. I recommend if you guys want to narrow down maybe 3 things that you want to get with your team on and look at, it could be as simple as having a big phone number in the top right corner. Make sure the number is clickable too. I see a lot of, companies will come to us and I'm like, man, your phone number is not even clickable. So if somebody went to it on a mobile phone, you want to be able to tap the call and a dialer populate, right? We want all of this as a means to an end, which is leads and jobs. You want to make sure they can tap that phone number and populate the dialer, right? Because I mean, that could be hurting the conversion rate huge. So, hopefully you guys, learned a little bit, from that. I know I kind of ran through it. I was gonna say I could just show you real quick too somehow. This is a pretty good looking site that we've done recently. And honestly, there's a few things we might even change, but phone number, top right corner. You want it clickable, so where when it's on mobile, they can tap. We've got the branded truck here. Remember the badges for credibility I mentioned. We got different service pages for all the things that they do. Real pictures. I mean, this is real signage. Again, calls to action. Click to call. I mean, that's the way on mobile this could be tapped. Team photos. I mean, this is, this probably could be a little bit better team photo, but I like it, right? It works. It gets the job done. And I mean, you can, we've seen some crazy team photos too, but then, why should they, remember we talked about why should they call them versus somebody else, right? Something you guys should be thinking about. So we want to highlight those on the website. Testimonials, right? We want to have reviews. Like these are real reviews from Google. You want to make sure people can see that. You want to have your service areas, calls, this is just, you don't have to have this, but office location. So that's just kind of to give you guys an idea of stuff to think about. But this is kind of a design that people are really pretty slick little site, but we're not going to go through all that. I just want to I think you guys understand based on that and kind of what I talked about on kind of what we're looking to do and what the goal should be as far as, website built to convert goes. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.